Hello everyone, and hope you're well. Welcome to today's video. So I was kindly invited by bareMinerals to have a one-on-one makeover with national makeup artist Gina in their Soho boutique. I will insert some pictures here. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love bareMinerals, okay? I have used it since I was 15 and I've been obsessed ever since. Like, just look at all my other videos. So to actually be invited is a big deal for me, like a big deal. That was the one thing I wanted the most. I was like, when is bareMinerals gonna invite me, my God? Because I love to learn new ideas, new looks, and play with some of the products that maybe I haven't seen. So you can imagine how excited I was, and the boutique is just so lovely. Covent Garden, did I say Soho? It's Covent Garden. I love the bareMinerals boutiques because they're just so personable and it's just like going into a little sweet shop. I got to meet the lovely Gina. She was absolutely gorgeous. You know, showed me all the products, what she was going to use, what we wanted to do, and it was just such a treat to sit down and have someone do your makeup. Like, that is my favorite thing in the world, getting my makeup done and learning along the way. So I've recreated the look that she did on me today. Well, I've done it to the best of my ability, and I've used some of the new products that I haven't tried, some of the Gen Nude, the pressed eyeshadows and things like that. So if you want to see how I created this look, or how Gina created it and I'm recreating it, then carry on watching. So I'm going to start off with the Combo Control Primer. This is a balancing primer, so their primers are really good. So I'm just going to take about that much, and it almost feels like a lotion. It hasn't got that primery feel, you know, that kind of silicone. It's very smooth. It's literally like a lotion. And then I'm going to start with the original foundation, and I've got this in the shade Fairly Light, which is probably a perfect match for me because I'm pale at the moment. So I'm going to start off with the foundation first and then go in with concealer, because I feel like, recording, yes, I feel like you're just going to move the concealer around. So I'm just going to tap a bit into my jar, and I'm going to use my beautiful Finish face brush. I love this. This is the most softest, beautiful brush ever. And I'm going to swirl into my lid, give it a good swirl, because what this does is it warms up the minerals. And I think this is an important step people forget and they just kind of go straight in. You need to warm up the minerals. Tap off any excess, and all the mineral is going to get collected into this brush, and the more you buff and blend, the more coverage is going to be dispersed onto the skin. So one for luck, and I'm just going to start on the outside here. I'm just going to buff. and you just want to buff. Don't feel like, you know, defeated when you're not getting coverage and think you've got to pile it on. Just keep buffing, you know? Just take it easy, take it gently, and just buff away. You can keep going back in the lid, but don't add any more. Just keep going in and kind of looking back, stepping back, and almost just like giving your face a little massage. So just carry on buffing, and it helps to do your face in sections, I find. I tend to do the forehead last, and then I just kind of buff everything in. Right, I'm then going to go and start concealing, and I was so excited to try this. This is the Bare Pro Complete Coverage Concealer, and it's the stick formulation. Oh my goodness, I was so excited, and this is, you know, proper full coverage, and it's going to work lovely with the mineral makeup, the powder. So I'm just gonna bring that under my eyes like this. This is so creamy, and this is perfect. Now, it's a cream and I'm using it on top of the minerals. I've said this before, it's mineral makeup, and creams and powders work in synergy together beautifully. And I particularly love cream doing the concealer afterwards. It's just so much better. So I'm gonna now just use my finger and just pat that in where I kind of need it, and it just kind of, it really fills in. I've got quite deep set under eyes, so I find that it fills in really nicely and it blends in beautifully. I'm then going to go in with the Gen Nude eyeshadow primer. These are amazing. And this one's in the shade Low Key. So I'm just going to pop that on my eyelid and just blend that out. And this just gives a really nice base for shadows. Takes away, again, any redness, any discoloration in the eye. Oh my god, look at that. You could just wear that on its own and be like done. I love these. It's so creamy. So, you know, it's not like, you know, the matte paint pot where you've really got to like drag it. This kind of just, I love it. You know, I love this kind of like neutral colour. Also, it's going to help your colours look more true to form. I'm going to set everything with Mineral Veil, which is their translucent finishing veil. It's going to keep everything, gosh, I never know whether I'm bloody recording or not. It's going to keep everything in check. So I'm just going to buff this over the skin. You can use this under the foundation if you want to kind of keep oils at bay. I'm just going to use it to set under the eyes as well. Lovely jubbly. Now this is the bit I'm really excited about, is the bronzer. I'm going to go in with, this is the, no, that's not it. This is the Invisible Bronze Fair to Light. Now it's almost like my beloved Hourglass. So I'm really very excited about this situation. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to use the same brush. I'm just going to tap that in. And I'm just going to buff that on. In fact, I might just do a bit of a buff all over, you know. Okie dokie, karaoke. Then I'm gonna do, I got this Invisible Glow. This is beautiful, my God. I'm making a mess everywhere, but look at this. Oh, wowzers, that is gorgeous. So I'm gonna use that on the high points of my face. just to give, you know, a bit of glow back to the skin. Fantabulous. Now for the piece de resistance. Oh my God, you're gonna love this. This is the Gen Nude Copper Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, wait till you see the shades in this. My God. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at this. Isn't this just stunning? Look at those shades. I mean, the pigmentation of these are gorgeous. I love the mirror. This is so cool. Gorgeous. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown brush and I'm going to go in the shade with the shade Truth, which is this one here. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm just going to, I'm going to tap that. Yeah, all right. Oh, you're pigmented. And I'm going to, I don't know. What am I going to do? Okay, I'm trying to remember the look that she created. Okay, I'm going to put that all over the eyelid. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, is that just not the best shade ever? And with that primer underneath, it's just gliding. Like, it's gliding. That is, I love that. I freaking love that. I've never tried the pressed shadows, so I'm like all about this. This is just stunning. I don't even need to like it just spreads. And with that primer underneath, it's already given me a transition color. I don't even need to, the mirror on this is fantastic. Oh my God, I love that. That is a beautiful color. Oh my God. Okay, let's just blend out a bit more. Wait till I show you the liner. Oh my God, you're gonna be amazed. Okay, so I've done all of this. I'm gonna then, what did she, look at this green one. I mean, like, I think she put the Bonfire one, which is the really coppery gold one, on the lid. So I'm gonna, oh my God, look at the pigmentation. Look at it, look at it. Look into my eyes, look into my eyes. That is gorgeous. These are, you know, these are my colors. Like, I love these colors. They are just absolutely my jamarama. That is stunning. That's almost foiled. Honestly, like, wow. I'm then going to take this matte dark one, Wild Child, and I'm going to put it where she put it, which was kind of here. Oh yeah, she really smoked it up. Oh my God, these glide. I'm not used to the gliding. It just glides so well. I'm all about a smoky eye that's soft and wearable, and this is just it, you know. You know, people always think smoky eye is just black or grey, and you can use any colours, purple, green, brown, you know. I'll take it under. That is lovely. I love it. It's so effortless, isn't it? I hope I'm doing the look justice. I don't know. This is called the One Fine Line. It's a like micro liner. So, I mean, you click it up like this, look. Look at that. It's so, I mean, I'm not surprised it's called microfine. But what it does is, it's so you can get really close to the lashes and get that really natural makeup look. So I'm literally trying to get, just literally getting it right into the lashes. This is just, and this is going to give you that perfect look at that line, that definition. My lashes just look, this is gorgeous. They just look, you can't overdo with this. This is perfect when you just want that natural line. You don't want anything too much. There you have it, beauts. Then I'm going to go in with the Lashtopia mascara. This is mega volume mineral based mascara. So I'm liking the wand. I'm liking the wand, okay? It's always different when you use these things yourself, isn't it? Oh, that is nice. I don't know if you've used the Lash Dom one. I just find the wand a little bit difficult, but this is a kind of wand I like. It's really got loads of bristles. And it's conditioning for the lashes, so it's really good to use every day. That's lovely. That's just a lovely everyday lash, isn't it? Then last but not least, the lipstick. These are the new bareMinerals Bare Pro. They are amazing. This is the shade Petal. Oh my God. They're matte, they're long wearing. They are absolutely sensational. And this color, my goodness, you're gonna love. They are so smooth and creamy, and they last all day. So there you have it, the finished look that Gina created for me on the day. It's just a really nice sort of like pinky, goldy, bronzy daytime eye. I love the lip. I love the lip so much. It lasts all day long, and it's such a nice everyday wearable colour. So I had the best time. I hope you enjoyed looking at all my new bareMinerals goodies as much as I love playing with them. And let me know what you liked best, what you saw. Maybe there's something you haven't tried and you really like the sound of it or the look of it. And if you've got any questions, let me know. But I hope you're well. Talk to you soon. Bye.